This Heiken Ashi strategy has its appliance on any currency pair and on any time frame. I have tested it on 30 minutes time frame, which I will be using it today. But obviously, because Heiken Ashi systems are indicator-based, I usually want to trade, if I trade indicator-based systems, I want to trade it in between 15 minutes and 1 hour. Only some swing systems, I'm talking about intra-week swings, they are traded on 4-hour and daily time frame. So I recommend this system to be traded on 30 minutes time frame. You need these indicators. Of course, if you're not able to use these indicators, you can email me. This is free, so I will definitely send this to you. So you need just to email me, and I will be sending indicators and template for this system. So you need Heiken Ashi smoothed with these settings: MA method 2, MA period 6, MA method 2, 3, and MA period 2, 2. So 2, 6, 2, 2 in 2, 6, 3, 2, one below another. I will also show you that on live chat later. These are basically default Heiken Ashi smoothed settings. You also need a TDI red-green indicator, which we will refer to TDI, Traders Dynamic Index. TDI indicator basically is also put on default settings for this system, as I have described here. And the strategy is pretty much straightforward. The rules for long entry are as follows. Green line has to cross the red line on TDI. Heiken Ashi bar has to be blue. This is very important because we are using Heiken Ashi smoothed. Okay? So Heiken Ashi bar has to be blue. If it's 5 or more bars since TDI crossover, do not enter the trade. Wait for another setup. TDI preferably is below or very close to 32. Target, it usually depends on currency pair and the time frame. You can aim for 30 pips if you are trading on 30-minute charts, or 100 pips. As I say, my recommendation is 30-minute charts, because Heiken Ashi is a lagging indicator. So on 4-hour charts, it can produce later signals. That's why, so far, the best usage was on 30 minutes. Usually 30 pip stop loss is fine, but you can go with standard appliance of stop loss. If you're long, you put it below last swing low, but it's around 30 pips. Short positions. The rule is same as follows. The red line has to cross the green line on the TDI. Heiken Ashi bar has to be red. If it's 5 or more bars is TDI crossover, do not enter the trade. Wait for another setup. Now, at this occasion, TDI preferably should be above or very close to 68. So it can be close. It's better if it's above, but it's not a necessity. It should be close or above. Same rules for targets and stop loss as in short trades. This is how it looks like on your chart. First rule, guys, is that you need to have a cross of TDI indicator. In this example here, we can see that a red line, it doesn't matter, you will always spot a green line crosses over the red or below the red. So when green line crosses a red, you count the candles. Your entry should be filtered by Heiken Ashi smoothed candlestick. When green TDI crosses red, you wait for the first red Heiken Ashi smoothed candle if it happens in next 5 candles. So this was the cross, and your entry should be in next 5 Heiken Ashi smoothed candles. So the qualification is that one of next 5 candles should be red. We can see that in this example, second candle has closed as red Heiken Ashi smoothed. And this is your entry here. So the thing is that Heiken Ashi smoothed is lagging, and it will capture momentum to give you a trade opportunity. You are not interested to see, guys, that this is bullish or bearish candle, this standard Japanese candlestick. You are only interested to see that this candle here, Heiken Ashi smoothed, is bearish. Okay, this one, because that is the first bearish candle after TDI cross. Okay, it's very, very simple. Now, look at this filter here. We had green cross exactly at 32 above red line. So you see how Heiken Ashi smoothed candlestick has filtered out a potentially bad trade. Because at this time, you didn't have a signal to go long. But here, at this time, you had a signal. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth candle here has closed as buy, as blue Heiken Ashi, and you're good to go. Next signal, green crosses red at 68, and you start to count. 1, 2, 3. Your third candle is your sell signal. Okay? It's very simple. You can see, very, very simple. Look at this one, guys. This is basically this month on GBP dollar. It's not that close, but that is why you need to also observe, not just take trades mechanically. Whenever I test the system or try to trade a system, I try to observe price action. Okay? So for this one here, yes, I will show later during the live chart. So 5, no trade, definitely. But at this time, look at this. Cross, but it's below 50 and in between 50 and 32. But you see, the trend is indeed to the upside because price is making. See, there is also a trend line. 1, 2, 3, or yes, third candle indeed. No, fourth candle. Yes, as I written it. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. This candle is your signal. And you see where the price went. Let's see this one also. Okay. Forex Boyke was asking for a not trade. This is not trade. Green crosses red, but you see Heiken Ashi smoothed is blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After this, no trade. So no trade here.